everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delay on the application of Discord. Here we go to settings. In this page, here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will go to above, you will search about Discord app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.